Welcome back to Explore Error, how to add VidIQ extension to YouTube. So let's begin this tutorial. So first of all, you need to log in to your YouTube account. So here it is. After that, open a new tab and search for Chrome extensions. Scroll down, open the Chrome Web Store, and then search for VidIQ. Here it is. Open it and click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading on the top right side. After downloading, it will open a new window. Now you need to activate it. You can create an account here, or you can also sign up with Google. I will sign up with Google. Click on Sign Up. After allowing the permissions, it will start installing, and then you will see Installation was successful. Now, if you open YouTube and refresh the page, and click on the extensions icon and pin it, you will find the VidIQ extension here. And here are some options of VidIQ, like Home, Dashboard, Uploads, My Videos, and more. So that's how you can add VidIQ extension to YouTube.